Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be cleaning my Chesterfield leather, genuine leather sofa. I'm going to show you how I do that, but before we clean it, as you can see, it is a button Chesterfield sofa, and the seat is also button because you can get ones where the seats aren't, so you can imagine all of the crumbs, biscuit pieces, everything and the dust all gets seeped inside these buttons. So I'm going to hoover, and I'm going to, and this is going to be part of the cleaning process, going to take out all the bits and pieces from there before I show you which cleaner I'm actually going to be using, and and I'm going to be leaving links down below for those cleaners as well. So let's get on with the hoovering. So now that the Chesterfield has cleaned, I'm going to show you the cleaner that I'm going to use to actually clean this sofa. So the cleaner that I'm going to be using is this. This is the Leather Furniture Care Kit. It's Furniture Clinic. And as you can see, it's a quick and easy, cleans all types of leather. It protects the leather against stains and spills. It nourishes dried out and faded leather, and it prolongs the life of leather. So it's definitely worth investing. And you don't have to do this weekly. You can do this. I don't know what the recommendations are actually when to use this, but this is not something you're going to be doing on a very regular basis, so it's worth doing it every couple of months. So I can't wait to use this. So I'm going to get this open, and I'm going to show you exactly what is inside. So here you go. We have this is the Leather Ultra Clean. You can give it a shake. You've got all your sponges inside that's going to help you do the job. And then you have the leather protection cream as well. So yes, so I'm going to be starting, I think we're going to be using the clean first, and then the protection will be after. Always follow your instruction guidelines that's on the box, but I'm definitely going to be leaving the link for this down below in that description box. So I'm going to go in with the Ultra Clean, Leather Ultra Clean. We're just going to get it into that sofa. We're going to be, getting it in, give it a good clean, and then we're going to be wiping off the excess afterwards with a cloth. Then we're going to be going in with the protection cleaner. So let's do this. So I'm giving it a good shake. Make sure, give it a good shake, get that formula going, and there we are, good to go. Let's sealant on here. This is also going to be helping with all the marks and scratches as well, apart from as well giving it a good shine, and also nourishing as well inside. now I've given it a good clean with the solution, I'm just going to be wiping off any excess now. So the next step, we're going to be using the protection cream. So we do apply it onto a cloth. We're going to apply it all over the sofa, and then we're going to leave it for 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, we're going to buff it, and then we're going to reapply. So it needs 2 coats. Again, leave 10 minutes, then buff, and then you should be good to go. And it says recommended this should be done every 3 months. Okay, so now I've had to applied the protection cream now. I'm going to let this set in for 10 minutes, and then we will use the little sponge that they've given us, which is this little pad that they've given us, and I'm going to use this to buffer it up after 10 minutes. And then I'm going to apply the protection cream once again, 10 minutes, buffer it up, and then I'll see this sofa again in 3 months. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this, and I'm going to start buffering the leather. 10 minutes has already gone. I've had to put the blinds down because the sun is really shining, and I want to try and get, as you can see, look at the leather now. So I'm going to be dressing up my Chesterfield sofa with these lovely cushions. These cushions are from eBay, and they are in Forks leather. Really, really nice, in the colour Oxblood. These are the new cushions, and they're new in Delaume. They're lovely, beautiful. I love the frills on them. I have put the filling of these I got from Amazon, and they're actually in the duck feather in them, so they are lovely, and you just can fluff them up. And I love that you've got this lovely pattern as well at the back here. So yeah, it's in this lovely floral, beautiful fabric, linen. So I'm going to put this one over here that complements this cushion over there, and then one over here which will complement this cushion on this side. So there you go. And then I did buy some other cushions as well, which I normally put at the top because my cats like to sit on these lovely frilly pillows. And again, I got them from Delaume, and they already come with the infill. So let me show you those. Again, in a lovely floral pattern with the lovely frills on the side, very country cottage. I like to put them up here, and the cats sometimes they lie on them. And we'll just put that there, I won't disturb her. And yeah, so that's how my sofa kind of looks on a normal day. And in connection with this video, I thought it would be appropriate to open my delivery that came, because I do also have a Chesterfield armchair to open, so we can do that together. So this is the Queen Anne. And it also comes with the instructions, because obviously you have to install the feet yourself. there you have it. So there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it's inspired you. If you got a lovely, nice leather sofa, whatever design it is, to buy the kit and use it on your sofa, and it makes a big difference. Just nourish that sofa every 3 months. It's almost like feeding a plant, and let's look after our leather sofas. Hope to see you all again in another video.